Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter 3 dimensional coordinate geometry. Before that we should do Brahmanath. Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the problems and the coplanarity of the two planes and the equation of plane containing two planes. Equation of plane containing two lines. Okay. Now, today we are going to discuss some problems related to the previous concept. Now, let's do the problem. Show that the lines x minus mz minus a is equal to 0 is equal to y minus nz minus b and x minus m dash z minus a dash is equal to 0 is equal to y minus nz minus b dash. Intersect if this a minus a dash into n minus n dash is equal to b minus b dash into m minus m dash. So, given line is what? Solution. Given lines, that is x minus mz minus a is equal to 0 is equal to y minus nz minus b and what? This is equation 1 and x minus m dash z minus a dash is equal to 0 is equal to y minus n dash z minus b dash minus what? B dash. Now, symmetric form of the line 1 is what? Symmetric form of line 1. So, what is here? That is x is equal to here x minus mz minus a is equal to 0 and this is y minus nz minus b is equal to 0. So, here find x is common to both. So, mz is equal to what? Mz is equal to x minus a, that implies what? Z is equal to x minus a by m. Now, here nz is equal to y minus b and z is equal to y minus b by n. So x minus a by m is equal to y minus b by n is equal to z by 1. This is line 1. Similarly, in place of m here m dash, in place of a here a dash, in place of n here n dash. Similarly, for symmetric form of line 2, what is here? That is x minus a dash by m, y minus b dash by n is equal to z by 1. This is line 2. Now, we have to prove two lines are what? Intersecting. Two lines are intersecting. That implies they are coplanar. Now, apply condition for coplanar. Now, apply condition for coplanar of two lines. So, what is the formula? That is here x1, here x1, y1, z1 is equal to what? X1, y1, z1 is equal to formula a, b, 0. A, B, 0, x2, y2, z2 is equal to what? A dash, B dash, 0. A dash, B dash, 0. DRS A1, B1, C1 is equal to what? MN1 and A2, B2, C2 is what? M dash N dash 1. Now, by the condition for perpendicular, now x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 is equal to what? 0. So, putting this value we get that is x2 minus x1, a dash minus a, y2 minus y1, b dash minus b, and z dash minus z2 minus z1, 0 minus 0. So, 0. And a1, b1, c1 is equal to what? M, n1, m dash n dash 1. Now, expanding this is equal to 0. So, this is equal to a dash minus a into this cancel, n minus n dash minus of b dash minus b into this cancel, m minus m dash. This is what? n minus n dash, and this is m minus m dash, and this is 0. So, no need to write here 0. Now, the condition is a minus a dash n minus. So, take this side, that implies a dash minus, or minus take common, minus of, that is a dash minus a is equal to n minus n dash is equal to b dash minus b into m minus m dash. So, taking common here, that is minus of a minus a dash into n minus n dash is equal to minus of b minus b dash into m minus m dash. So, minus minus cancel, that is what? A minus a dash n minus n dash is equal to b minus b dash into m minus m dash. This is very, very important. This is very, very important for the board exam. Now, another question. Obtain the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 3 minus 1, 11 to the line x by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 4. Obtain the equation of perpendicular also. So, this is the point. Suppose this is the point P of 3 minus 1, 11, and this is straight line. This is the straight line. X by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 4. Now, we have to find the foot of the perpendicular, that is suppose the point Q. Suppose this is point Q. Now, we have to find this point. Now, this is given line. Solution: given point P of 3 minus 1, 11, and the line is x by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus what? 3 by 4. To find general point of line 1. general point of line 1 line, that is what, x minus 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 divided by 4 is equal to suppose lambda. So x is equal to what, x is equal to 2 lambda and y is equal to 3 lambda plus 2, z is equal to 4 lambda plus 3. Let q of 2 lambda, 3 lambda plus 2, 4 lambda plus 3 be the foot of perpendicular drawn from P on the line, on the given line. So that is DRS of PQ is equal to what? DRS of PQ is equal to 2 lambda minus 3 comma 3 lambda plus 2, and this is minus of minus 1 plus 3, and 4 lambda comma 4 lambda plus 3 minus 11. So 4 lambda minus what? 8. 4 lambda minus 8. This is what? x2 minus x1, 2 lambda minus 3 and 3 lambda plus 2 minus of minus 1 plus 1. So 3 lambda plus 3, 4 lambda plus 3 minus 11. So 4 lambda minus 8. Since since PQ is perpendicular to the given line, PQ is perpendicular to the line, that implies apply condition for perpendicular. So what is that? Is A1 into A. The DRS of the line is what? DRS of line here, right? DRS of line is what? DRS of the line is, that is 2, 3, 4. So apply condition for perpendicular, that is 2 into 2 lambda minus 3 plus 3 into 3 lambda plus 3 plus 4 into 4 lambda minus 8. 4 lambda minus 8 is equal to 0. Solving this, we can find the value of lambda. So this is what? 4 lambda minus 6. 4 lambda minus 6. This is 9 lambda plus 9, and this is what? 16 lambda minus 32 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is 16 lambda plus 9 lambda, that is 25 lambda plus 4 lambda, that is 29 lambda is equal to, that is what? Plus that is what? Minus plus 9, and this is minus 38. So this is minus 29 is equal to 0. That is what? 29 lambda is equal to 29. So lambda is equal to 1. Now the point Q is what? Now the foot of the perpendicular of the point P is, that is Q of that is, what is the point Q here? 2 lambda. So 2 into 1 2, 3 into 1 plus 2, that is 5, and this is what? 7. This is foot of the perpendicular. So the question is what? Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. This is obtained. And another question is obtain the equation of perpendicular also. Now to find equation of perpendicular PQ, apply 2-point formula, that is x2 minus x1. This point is what? 2, 5, 7. Now this is x2 minus x1. X minus x1, that is x minus 3 divided by 2 minus 3 is equal to y plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1, and z is equal to z minus 11 divided by 7 minus 11. So that is x minus 3 by minus 1, y plus 1 by 6, and this is z minus 11 by minus 4 is the required equation of the foot of the perpendicular. Find the perpendicular distance of the point minus 139 from the line x minus 13 by 5 is equal to y plus 8 divided by minus 8, z minus 31 by 1. So this is the question. So solution, this is the point. Suppose P of minus 139 with a given point, and this is what? And this is the line x minus 13 by 5, y plus 8 by minus 8, z minus 31 by 1. Similar to the previous question, suppose this is the foot of the perpendicular Q. Okay, same concept applied here, that is given point here, that is what? Given point P of minus 139, and line is what? X minus 13 by 5 is equal to y plus 8 by minus 8 is equal to z minus 31 by what? 31 by 1. This is line. Same concept, that is general point. For general point of line, let x minus 13 by 5 is equal to y plus 8 by minus 8 is equal to z minus 31 by 1 is equal to support lambda, k or lambda, anything. So x is equal to 5 lambda plus 13, y is equal to minus 8 lambda minus 8, and z is equal to lambda plus 31. Let q of 5 lambda plus 13 minus 8 lambda minus 8 lambda plus 31 be the foot of the perpendicular. Perpendicular of the point P. Now DRS of the given line is what? That is what? PQ perpendicular to what? PQ perpendicular to the line. Now apply condition for DRS of line is what? DRS of line that is 5 minus 8 1, and DRS of the PQ that is equal to Q minus P, that is 5 lambda plus 13, this is plus 13, 5 lambda plus 13 minus of minus 1, so 5 lambda plus 14, that 8 minus 8 lambda minus, this is 8, okay, this is 8, minus 8 lambda minus 8 minus 3 minus 8 lambda minus 11 minus 8 lambda minus 11 lambda plus 31 minus 9. So that is lambda plus 22. Lambda plus 22. That is lambda plus 22. This is DRS of the line PQ. Okay. Now apply PQ perpendicular to the line since PQ is perpendicular to the line. So apply condition for perpendicular. Apply condition for perpendicular by condition for perpendicular 5 into, that implies 5 into 5 lambda plus 14 minus 8 into minus 8 lambda minus 11 plus 1 into, that is lambda plus 22 is equal to 0. That is what? 25 lambda, and this is 70 minus plus 64 lambda plus 88 plus lambda plus 22 is equal to 0. Okay. This is equal to 25, 64, that is the 90 lambda, and 70, that is, this is what? 110, that is 180. 180 is equal to 0. So 90 lambda is equal to 90 lambda equal to minus 180. So lambda is equal to minus 2. Now the point Q is what? Now the point Q, that is 5 lambda, 5 into 2 minus 2, that is minus 10 plus 13. Minus 10 plus 13, and this is what? 16 minus 8, 16 minus 8, and this is minus 2 plus 31. Minus 2, this is what? Minus 2 plus 31, that is 29. Minus 2 plus that is 29. Minus 2 plus 29. So Q is what? 3, and this is 8, and this is 31. So 31, and this is 29. Now distance of the line PQ. Now distance of the point PQ. Find the perpendicular distance. So question is now distance of PQ. Distance of PQ. P points towards distance of, this is P. Okay. P is what? Minus 139, and this is the Q point here, Q, that is 3, 8, 29, and line is what? The line is like this. So distance of the point PQ is what? Distance of PQ distance. So 3 minus 1, 4 square, 8 minus 3, that is 5 square, and this is what? 20 square. That is equal to 16 plus 25 plus, this is 20 square. Okay. So 400. So 441, that is equal to 21 units. This is the distance of the perpendicular distance of the line to the from the point to the line. Now another question. This is the question. Find the distance of the point. Find the distance of the point. Suppose this is P of 1, minus 2, 3. Find the distance of the point from the plane. This is suppose plane, from the plane, such that the distance should be, the line segment of the distance of the line segment is parallel to the line. this is what? This equation is x by 2 is equal to y by 3 is equal to z by minus 6. Okay. Suppose this is the point PQ. Let solution, let P of 1 minus 2 3 be the given points. Okay, then given points we have to find the distance of P from the plane what? Plane is x minus y plus z is equal to 5 such that the line segment is parallel to the line segment that is PQ parallel to the line x by 2 is equal to y by 3 is equal to z by minus 6. So, DRS of PQ is equal to what? That implies DRS of PQ is 2, 3, minus 6. Now, equation of PQ that is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus what? Z minus 3 by minus 6. So, for general point of this, let for general point of PQ, let x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by minus 6 is equal to suppose lambda. So, this is what? X is equal to, here x is equal to what? X is equal to 2 lambda plus 1, y is equal to what? Y is equal to 3 lambda minus 2, and z is equal to minus 6 lambda. This is minus 6, okay. This is minus 6, so minus 6 lambda plus 3. Z equal to minus 6 lambda plus 3. That is Q of, let Q of 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda minus 2 and minus 6 lambda plus 3. This lies on the plane. That is on the plane, what? Plane is what? X minus y plus z is equal to 5. So, put the value of x is 2 lambda plus 1 minus of 3 lambda minus 2 and minus 6 lambda plus 3 is equal to 5. So, 2 lambda minus 3 lambda, that is 2 lambda minus 3 lambda, 2 lambda minus 3 lambda minus 6 lambda, and this is what? Plus 1 plus 2 and this is plus 3 is equal to 5. So, this is what? Minus 7 lambda. Minus 7 lambda is equal to minus what? Minus 7 lambda is equal to, that is 9 lambda, that is minus 2 lambda, that is 5 minus 6. So, minus 1, and lambda is equal to 1 by 7. Lambda is equal to what? 1 by 7. lambda is equal to 1 by 7. Now the point P. Now the point point Q is what? That is lambda equal to 1 by 7. 2 by 7 2 into lambda means what? 2 by 7 plus 1, and that is 3 by 7 minus 2, and this is minus 6 by 7 minus 6 by 7 plus 3. So this is equal to Q is equal, that is what? 2 plus 7 by 2 plus 7 by 7, that is 9 by 7. 3 minus 14, 3 minus 14, that is what? Minus 11 by 7. 21 minus 6, that is what? 15. 21 minus 6, that is 15 by 7. This is the point P. Now find the distance of the point PQ. So distance of PQ. Now distance of the point PQ is what? This point is Q is obtained here. So this now distance, we have to find distance of the point PQ. The Q point is what? The Q point is here 9 by 7 minus 11 by 7, and this is 15 by 7. Now distance of PQ, distance of that is PQ distance is equal to 9 by 7 minus 1 whole square, then this is minus 2 here, so minus 11 by 7 plus 2 whole square, and this is 15 by 7 minus 3 whole square, So this is what? 9 minus 7, 2 by 7, so this is 4 by 9 plus this is what? 14 minus 11 means what? 9 by 49, the 9 by 4 by here 4 by 49, and this is what? 9 by 49, and this is 21 minus what? 15 minus 21, that is 6 by 7 minus 6 by 7, so that is 36 by 49. So this is equal to root over 49 by 49, so distance is equal to 1 unit. Okay, this is very important question also. Now another question. This is the question, find the distance of the point. Suppose this is point, solution. Find the distance of the point 1 minus 1 minus 10 from the line. X minus 4 by 1 is equal to y plus 3 by minus 4 is equal to z plus 1 by 7, measured parallel to the line. X plus 2 by 2 is equal to y minus 3 by minus 3, z minus 4 by 8. Suppose this is point is what? Solution, this point is 1 minus 1 and this is minus 10. Okay, and the line is here, x minus 4 by 1 is equal to what? Y plus 3 divided by minus 4 is equal to z plus 1 by 7. Clear? Suppose this is the point and this is PQ, and this is what? PQ. The P here, this point is what? P. PQ parallel to the given line. Okay, given line is what? X plus 2 by 2 is equal to y minus 3 by minus 3 is equal to z minus 4 by 8. So from figure, PQ parallel to what? From figure, PQ parallel to the line what? X plus 2 by 2 is equal to y minus 3 by minus 3 is equal to z minus 4 by 8. Therefore, DRS of PQ, that is equal to what? 2 minus 3, 8. Now equation of line PQ, equation of line PQ, what? Equation of line PQ. Find equation of line PQ. Now equation of PQ, that is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 divided by minus 3 is equal to z plus 10 divided by 8. Now PQ, Q is the point of intersection of, here Q is the point of intersection, point of intersection of what? Point of intersection of the line PQ, that is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 3 is equal to z plus 10 by 8, and this is and x minus 4 by 1 is equal to y plus 3 by minus 4 is equal to z plus 1 by 7. So take first equation equal to lambda. Let this is line. Let x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 3 is equal to z plus 10 by 8 is equal to lambda. So x is equal to 2 lambda plus 1, y is equal to minus 3 lambda minus 1, z is equal to 8 lambda minus 10. Putting the value of x, y, z, suppose this is equation 1 and suppose this is equation 2. Putting the values of suppose this point is q. Suppose this point is q. Let q up. Let q up this 2 lambda plus 1, comma minus 3 lambda minus 1, comma 8 lambda minus 10. Suppose this point is q. Q is the intersection of 2 points. Is the intersection of the point of intersection. Point of intersection. Suppose q is the point of intersection. Now q will satisfy the equation 2 also. Q will satisfy equation 2 also. The point q will satisfy equation what? 2 also. The point q will satisfy equation 2. This is suppose equation 2. So this is x means what? 2 lambda, that is what? 2 lambda plus 1 minus 4 divided by 1 is equal to minus 3 lambda minus 1 plus 3 divided by what? Minus 4, which is equal to z means what? 8 lambda minus 10 plus 1 divided by what? Divided by 8. So simplify this, that is 2 lambda minus 3 by 1 is equal to minus 3 lambda what? Plus 2 divided by minus 4 8 lambda minus 9 divided by 8. So taking any 2 here, that is what? 2 lambda minus 3 into 4 is equal to what? Minus 3 lambda plus 2. So this is equal to what? 8 lambda minus 12 is equal to minus 3 lambda plus 2. So this is what? This is what? This is 7. Okay, this is 7. This is 7. This is simplify, taking this to simplify. So this is 1 and this is minus 4. So this is minus what? Taking this to minus 8 lambda plus 12 is equal to minus 3 lambda plus 2. So this is what? Minus, that is minus 8 lambda plus, that is minus 5 lambda is equal to minus what? 10. So lambda is equal to 2. Now the point P is equal to what? The point P is equal to here, the point P is equal to point Q. Q is equal to what? 2 lambda plus this is equal to 2 lambda plus 1. 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 lambda plus 1, that is 2 into 2, that is 2 lambda. 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 5. And this is what? Minus 6 minus 1, minus 7. Then lambda is equal to 2 into 18, 16 minus 10, that is 6. Okay, the Q is what? 2 into lambda, 2 into 2 plus 1, and 3 into 2 minus 1, and 8 into 2 minus 10. So this is equal to 5, and this is what? Minus 7, and this is 6, the point Q. Now the distance of the point PQ. PQ distance is equal to 5 minus 1 whole square, 4 square, 7 plus, that is 36, 16 plus 36, and this is what? 16 square. 16 square. 256. Okay, that is 16 square. We get, this is what? 16 square, that is 256. This is equal to what? 308. 308 is the solution. This is the 16 plus 36 plus 256. So root over what? 308 is the answer, distance of the point PQ. Now shortest distance between two skew lines. What is skew lines? Skew lines means what? Skew lines means if two lines are neither coplanar nor intersecting. If two lines are neither coplanar, non-coplanar, that is neither non-coplanar and non-intersecting, then the lines are called, skew lines. Okay, now what is the distance between two skew lines? Now distance between two skew lines.
how to find the distance between two skew lines. Procedure to find the distance between two skew lines. Let x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1, that is equation 1, x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2, z minus z2 by c2, that is equation 2 are two skew lines. Suppose this is the line and another line is in the space. These are the skew lines. Okay, these are the skew lines. Skew lines means what? Neither parallel nor coplanar. That is skew lines. Suppose say this is straight line and these are the skew lines, neither parallel nor coplanar. So find how to find the distance up to. Now here any point say this is line 1 and this is line 2. Suppose this is any point P and this is any point Q. Here PQ perpendicular to both the lines because it is skew lines. Okay, so the skew lines is here. Now look at this. This is skew lines, neither parallel nor coplanar. So this distance, this is perpendicular to both the plane is, that is PQ here. So PQ is perpendicular to both the lines. So find any point, general point. Step 1. Find the general points of both lines. Okay, so that is what? X minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1 is equal to suppose lambda 1, and x is equal to what? X is equal to a1 lambda 1 plus x1, y is equal to b1 lambda 1 plus y1, and z is equal to c1 lambda 1 plus z1. So the point P is, let this be P of a1 lambda 1 plus x1, b1 lambda 1 plus y1, c1 lambda 1 plus z1. Similarly, let x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2, and z minus z2 by c2 is equal to lambda 2. Now x is equal to here what? Now x is equal to what? X is equal to here x is equal to a2 lambda 2 plus x2. Okay, y is equal to b2 lambda 2 plus y2, and z is equal to c2 lambda 2 plus z2. Let q of this, q of what? a2 lambda 2 plus x2, b2 lambda 2 plus y2, c2 lambda 2 plus z2. Okay, now PQ is perpendicular to here, DRS of PQ, DRS of step 2, find DRS of PQ, that is what? a2 lambda 2 plus x2 minus a1 lambda 1 minus x1. Okay, then it is a2 lambda 2 y2 minus a1 lambda 1 y1 comma what? This is not A1, this is B2. B2 lambda 2, this is B1 lambda 1 minus Y1, and this is what? C2 lambda 2, C2 lambda 2, C2 lambda 2 plus Z2 minus C1 lambda 1 minus Y1. This is PQ. PQ is perpendicular to both L1 and PQ is also perpendicular to L2. Apply, that is, this is step 2, this is step 3. So apply condition for perpendicular. Apply condition for perpendicular. So A1, that is A1 into what? A2 lambda 2 x2 minus A1 lambda 1, A1 lambda 1 x1 plus B1 into A2 lambda, B1 into B2 lambda 2 y2 minus B1 lambda 1 minus B1 lambda 1 minus y1 plus C into C2 lambda 2 z2 minus C1 lambda 1 minus z1 is equal to 0. And this is equation, suppose this is equation 3. Similarly, for second equation, A2 lambda 2 plus x2 minus A1 lambda 1 minus x1 plus B2 into B2 lambda 2 plus y2 minus B1 lambda 1 minus y1 plus C into C2 lambda 2 z2 minus C1 lambda 1 z1 is equal to 0. This is equation 4. Solving equation 3 and 4. Solving equation 3 and 4. This is equation 3 and this is equation 4. Solving equation 3 and 4. Find value of lambda 1 and lambda 2. Then find step 4. Find the points P and Q, and then find distance of PQ. It is the method to solve this type of equation. It is the method to find the shortest distance between two lines, Q lines. Okay, this is the process. Now, what is the shortcut method? Shortcut method of distance between two lines. Let x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1. Equation 1, x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2, z minus z2 by c2. Equation 2. Then shortest distance is equal to determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 whole divided by square root of b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole whole square. This is the formula. Find the shortest distance between two lines. Now vector method. Let R vector is equal to A1 vector plus lambda into B1 vector. Equation 1. R equal to A2 vector plus lambda B2 vector. Equation 2. Then shortest distance, suppose D. Shortest distance D is equal to A2 minus A1 vector dot B1 cross B2 divided by magnitude of B1 B2 vector. Okay, this is the shortest distance between vector form. This is vector form. Okay, if D is equal to 0, if two lines are intersecting, note, if two lines are intersecting, then shortest distance is D is equal to 0. That implies what? A2 minus A1 vector dot B1 cross B2 vector is equal to 0. This is the shortest distance between if two lines are, this is condition for intersecting of two lines. Now, if two lines are parallel, note 2, this is note 1, note 2, if that is R is equal to A1 vector plus lambda into what? Lambda into B vector. If this is mode magnitude, so this is what? Lambda 1 into what? Lambda into, this is lambda 1 into B vector, and equation 1, R dot is equal, R vector equal to A2 vector plus lambda 2 into B vector. Okay, these are the parallel lines. Then shortest distance D is equal to what? B cross A2 minus A1 by magnitude of B whole mode. This is the shortest distance. This is the distance between two parallel lines. Okay, distance between two parallel lines. Find the shortest distance between the lines x minus 3 divided by 3, y minus 8 by minus 1, z minus 3 divided by 1, and x plus 3 by minus 3 is equal to y plus 7 by 2 is equal to z minus 6 by 4. Also find the equation of the shortest distance. Suppose solution, this is the line 1 and this point P, and this is line 1 and this is line 2. So x minus given lines x minus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 8 by minus 1, z minus 3 by 1. This is line 1 L1, and x plus 3 divided by minus 3 is equal to y plus 2 by y plus 7 by 2, z minus 6 by 4. This is line 2. General points. Let x minus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 8 by minus 1 is equal to z minus 3 by 1 equal to suppose k1. Okay, or you can take lambda 1. So x is equal to what? 3k1 plus 3, y is equal to what? Minus k1 plus 8, and z is equal to what? k1 plus 3. So let p, the point P is equal to 3k1 plus 3, comma minus k1 plus 8, comma k1 plus 3. Similarly, let x plus 3 divided by minus 3. X plus 3 divided by minus 3 is equal to y plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 6 by 4 is equal to k2. Similarly, x is equal to minus 3k2 minus 3, y is equal to 2k2 minus 2, and z is equal to 4k2 plus 6. Okay, let q is equal to what? Minus 3k2 minus 3, 2k2 minus 2, comma 4k2 plus 6. So now PQ, DRS of PQ is what? Now DRS of PQ that is what? x2 minus x1 minus 3k2 minus 3 and minus k1 minus 6. So this is equal to minus 3k2 and this is what? Minus 3k1 and minus 3, and this is also minus 3, minus 6, comma 2k2 minus k1, that is plus k1, and this is minus 2 and this is minus 8, minus 10. Okay, now what is that? 4k2 plus 6. So 4k2 minus k1, 6 minus 3. What? 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 means what? 3. DRS of PQ. Here PQ is perpendicular to L1 and PQ is also perpendicular to L2. So apply condition for perpendicular. So that is what? DRS of the line 3 into, that implies 3 into minus 3k2 minus 3k1 minus 6 minus 1 into 2k2 plus k1 minus 10 and plus 1 into 4k2 minus k1 plus 3 is equal to 0. तो यहाँ सिंप्लीफाई कर लिखा, दैट इज व्हाट? माइनस 9k2 माइनस 9k1 माइनस 18 माइनस 2k2 माइनस k1 प्लस 10 and 4k2 minus k1 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 9k2, this is what? This is what? X minus 3 by 3, y minus 8 by 1, and this is k1. Now second equation is x minus 3 by minus 3, y plus 7. This is not 2, this is 7. So this is what? 2k2 minus 7. And then other are correct. So here that is what? That is 2k2 minus 7. Suppose this 2k2 minus k1 minus, this is 15. So this is minus 15. Got it? Minus 15. And this is what? Plus 15. So solving this, that is equal to what? Solving this, we get here, that is 11k1 plus what? 7k2 is 11k, this is called k1 and k1, this 11k1, this is 15, and this is what, 318, so this goes cancel. Okay, 11k1 plus what, 9k2, this is plus 7k2, this is 7k2 is equal to 0. This is what, 11, and this is 4, 7k2 minus, taking minus, so minus 11k2, so minus minus close, that is what, minus 11k2 minus what, minus 11k1, this is 11 minus 11k1, 11k1 minus 11k1 minus what, 7k2 is equal to 0, that implies this. Now for L2, for line 2, 3 into what, this minus 3k2 minus 3k1 minus 6, and this is what, this is 7 minus what, this is 15, so this is what, this is 15. Okay, this is 15 here, because this is 2k2 minus 7 minus k1 plus k1, that is 15, so 6 and into what, this is minus 3 into, for line 2, again for line 2, again for L2, minus 3 into this and plus 2 into what, plus 2 into this term, what, plus 2 into 2k2 plus k1 minus 15, and this is what, plus 4 into what, 4 into 4k2 minus k1 plus 3 is equal to 0, and just multiply, then just multiply, this is equal to, and simplify, that is minus 9 plus 9k2 plus what, 9k1 plus 18. Okay, so this is what, minus minus, and this is what, minus 3 minus 6. Okay, then 4k2 plus 2k1 minus 30 plus 16k2 minus 4k1 plus 12 is equal to 0, and after simplification we get what, 7r1 is 7k2 is equal to, calculating this, that is 7 k1 plus what, 7k1 plus this is equal to 29k2. 29k2 is equal to 0. After simplifying, this is equation what? This is equation 1 and 2, and this is suppose equation 3, and this is for equation 4. Solving 3 and 4, we get k1 is equal to k2 is equal to 0. 0 0 case रही ये दीटा equation satisfy करिवो. So the point P is what? The point P is, now the point P is, point P is equal to what? Okay, the x value 0 पकड़े मायन point P टा कितना है? 3 8 3 8 and this is 3, and point Q is equal to कितना है? -3 -7 -3 minus what? -7, and this is what? 6. So distance of PQ is what? Apply distance formula. Distance of PQ, the PQ distance is equal to -3 that is 6 whole square 36, and this is what? 15 square 125, and this is what? 9. So calculate the figure. This is what? 3 minus 6 whole square 36, -7 -8 -15 so 2 to 5. This is 2 to 5. Okay, and at this is the 270, that is 25 270. 270 is the shortest distance. Now equation of PQ, 2 point form, equation of PQ, 2-point formula, that is x2, this is x1, y1, z1, and this is x2, y2, z2. So equation is x minus 3 divided by x2 minus x1, that is minus 6, y minus 8 divided by minus 7 minus 8 minus 15, z minus 3 divided by 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, so 3. So cancel by 3, that implies x minus 3 by minus 2 is equal to y minus 8 by minus 5 is equal to z minus 3 by 1. This is the equation of the shortest distance. Now these are the formula or concept to find the shortest distance between two lines. In next video, some extra problem. Okay, these are the some problems related to shortest distance. Thank you. Have a nice day.